No, but maybe it's all an act. Maybe just giving us stuff to talk about.
He's not.
You know, I know people complain about us speculating on stuff like this, but we have to look into what the potential weakness of anybody might be and why they might be not be on top performance. I think we look at the way he rode yesterday. Obviously, it wasn't a mountain stage or a hilly day like today, but he brought himself to the front, albeit without his teammates on his wheel, as he had hoped. That's not easy to do when you get into the finale of a sprint stage like that, because he's actually not the most aero guy in the world on a road bike. So to get through to the front when the lead-outs are in full swing, especially in a headwind into the wind on the side of the road there, I mean, I don't think his legs aren't coughing.
Yeah, they're not.
No.